guys, it's Anna, and I'm so excited to show you this problem in my ACT Math series. I'm really excited to show you how the process of elimination can be so helpful to you. This is a problem right here where process of elimination is going to be key. Let's get right into it. The question asks, what should be the central angle measure of the music sector? What should the central angle measure of the music sector be? So this is a pie chart showing how someone spends their time in one day. They're an aspiring musician at a musician training school maybe. They spend 4 hours a day on music, 3 hours a day on school, 1 hour on eating, 1 hour on exercise. But we know that this graph is drawn incorrectly. So the number of hours are correct, but the angles are incorrect. And this should be part of the question. So hours are correct. Angles are incorrect. Angles are wrong. So let's come up with the correct angles for this music sector. What should be the angle measure for the music sector? So how many hours do we have total right now? Because we know the hours are correct. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours total. And right now we have 4 hours for music, right? So let's ask ourselves, is that more or less than half? Is 4 hours out of 9 hours more or less than half? It's less than half, right? So slightly less than half, right? 4.5 would be exactly half of 9. So we're thinking, so the central angle measure in the music sector should be slightly less than half of the circle, right? So automatically we can think about how many degrees are there in a circle. There's 360, right? And so we can eliminate some of these options. What can we eliminate? We can eliminate 200 because it's way more than half the circle, more than 180. We can eliminate 288. Now we also want to think about 4 over 9. It's almost half because 4.5 would be half of 9. We look at our other options. We have A is 88 degrees, B is 72 degrees. Those are all less than a fourth of a circle because we know that 90 degrees is 1/4 of a circle. And so in this case, we can eliminate A and B because those are way too small to represent 4 out of 9. Because 4 out of the 9 total, it should be close to half. It has to be 160. But let's use math to check it. If we say, okay, there's 360 degrees total, divided by 9 hours. 360 divided by 9 will give you 40. And if you multiply 40 by the 4 hours for music, you get 160. So this is a great example of a common question that you might see on the ACT Math section where process of elimination is so useful. So you see they asked us kind of a creative problem here, like what should the central angle measure of the music sector be if the hours are correct but the angles are wrong? And here we see, we just have to say, oh, 4 out of 9, a little less than half, not more than half, not less than a fourth. Boom, C160 is our answer. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in the next video.